Hey everyone, so we're here with AirSoccer today and we're going to show you a fairly easy and simple game to understand. You don't have to be a pro, but this is the way it works. You can come in by yourself or with a friend against someone else and then their friend. And the way it is that when you start to serve the ball, you have one touch to serve, so you serve it over the table, and it has to be on the furthest side of the white line on their side. So when it hits on their side, all you have to do is make sure that the person that receives the ball has two touches, and when they set up their partner only has one touch to deliver it back to you. So when you get the ball, you know you have to keep it going, so you have up to 3 touches on each side. A couple rules that you have to keep in mind. One is that you cannot touch the table unless it's security purposes. If the ball's about to hit the table and you use it to kind of hold yourself a little bit and send the ball back over, okay, you send it right back over, but you can't be constantly grabbing or stepping on it or walking on top of the table to deliver. You cannot do that. That's a no-no. Second rule, you cannot pass the white line. So the middle right there, you cannot pass it. If you pass it when you're touching the ball or delivering the ball back to the other side automatically gets 1 point. Third rule, there's some times where the ball's gonna go over and it's gonna touch the edge and kind of bounce off, and that'll count as a point. The only way it'll count as a point is if it goes directly over the table and it hits the edge and then goes off. If you're on the outsides of the table or kind of on the border sides and you hit it directly from the outside to the edge and it bounces off, it will not count as a point, so you have to be very careful and very mindful on how you do that. Fourth rule, whenever you serve the ball, you have to make sure that you're 3 feet behind the edge of the table to make sure you deliver to the other side. Once you deliver it and it goes back and forth, you can be anywhere, stand anywhere, but that's the basic rule to begin with.